नमस्कार. आम्ही आयच्या कामकाजाक सुरुवात करूया.
स्पीकर सर, गेली साधारण 3 वर्सां ज्या गोष्टीची आमी वाट पळयत आसले, मायनिंग बॅन ह्या राज्याचेर आसलो आनी अनेक बाबतींत ह्या राज्याची, जनतेची, कामगारांची गोची जाल्ली. ह्या शासनान हर तरेचो प्रयत्न करून मायनिंग रिस्टोर जावचो हाच्या खातीर सगळ्या प्रकारचे प्रयत्न केल्ले. अलीकडे आमी ऑक्टोबर 2015 ही तारीख दवरलेली आनी सगळ्यांक आमी आवाहन केल्लें सगळ्या मायन ओनर्सांक की ह्या वर्साच्या ऑक्टोबर 15 पर्यंत सुरू जावच्यो मायनी म्हणून. पयर मायनिंग डिमांड्सा दिसा सुद्दां ह्या सभागृहान सरकार तशेंच विरोधी पक्ष एकमत आसले की मायनिंग ह्यो बेगिनात बेगीन रिस्टार्ट जावंक जाय म्हणून. म्हाका सांगपाक दिसता की ऑक्टोबर 2015 पयलींच 2 म्हयने आज वेदांतान कोडली म्हणटात तिचल्ली मायन आज सुरू करपाचो कार्यक्रम केलो. म्हाका ताणें नारळ वाडोवपाक उद्घाटनाक आपयल्लो. मोठ्या प्रमाणार थंयसर सगळे कामगार आनी जनता जमलेली. अत्यंत उत्साहात म्हणजे सादारणपणे फाटल्या 3 वर्सांचे जो काळोख आसलो तो काळोख हटोवन एक आनंदाचें वातावरण, उत्साहाचें वातावरण, उत्साहाची किरणां थंय आमकां दिसली. स्पीकर सर, हांव ह्या सभागृहाच्या माध्यमांतसून अन्य मायन्स ओनर्सांकूय हांव आवाहन करतां की इंटरनॅशनल मार्केट पयलींच्या भशेन जरी नसलें आसत तरी गोंयच्या हिताच्या दृश्टीन, तांच्या कामगारांच्या दृश्टीन, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लेम इरेडिकेट करच्या दृश्टीन ताणें आमकां सहकार्य करचें आनी ऑक्टोबर जो टार्गेट दिल्लो आसा त्या टार्गेटाचेर मायन्स सुरू करच्यो. थँक्यू स्पीकर सर.
क्वेश्चन कॉल केलं ना.
Speaker sir, under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I may be permitted to reply unstarred LAQ number 2 in today's list to the next Assembly session. Speaker sir, I may kindly be permitted to amend reply given in annexure to star question number 3C tabled by Honorable Member Naresh Chawal as follow. The details given in annexure at serial number 1, 3 to 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 may be treated as deleted and serial number 2 may be read as serial number 1. So, for the reply to subquestion B, the words B to LAQ number 7B, the words "the scheme is under consideration" may be read as "the matter is in process." Thank you, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir,
कितें
म्हाका पोस्टपोन करूंक. Under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of the Business of the House, sir, I would like to propose postpone unstar LAQ number 40 and 49 in the next session of Assembly as these LAQs are too detailed.
आम्ही आयचे प्रश्न घेऊया. फुडें धुकल्लेलो प्रश्न तारांकीत प्रश्न क्रमांक 7A श्री दिगंबर कामत उपस्थित ना. फुडें धुकल्लेलो प्रश्न 21C श्री अतानंसियो मोन्सेरात ते उपस्थित नात. आयचे प्रश्न आम्ही घेऊया. प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 श्री रोहन कवटे.
I may be permitted to ask star LAQ number 1B.
1B. 1B.
Speaker sir.
2A.
Answer is as per the computerized sheet.
Speaker sir, कुंकळी इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट 1992 सुरू जाली. तातूंत 95 सनरायज झिंक आनी न्यूकॉमेट अश्यो 2 फॅक्टरी आयल्यो. 8 वर्सां फॅक्टरी चल्ल्यो. मागीर कुंकळचे NGOs कोर्टांत गेले आनी त्यो पॉल्युटेड म्हणून कंप्लेन केली आनी तातूंत दोनूय फॅक्टरी बंद जाल्यो. हायकोर्टान डिसिजन जालें सनरायज झिंक बंद करची म्हणून. आनी तांणी 8 वर्सांक जवळ जवळ 25,000 टन हॅजार्डस वेस्ट तातूंत तयार जालो. स्पीकर सर, मागीर पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान चेक करतकीर जवळ जवळ रेडियस ऑफ 2 किलोमिटर्स हातूंत कोबाल्ट, निखेल आनी कॅडमियम अशे 3 कॅमिकल्स मेळ्ळे. स्पीकर सर, हे तिनूय कॅमिकल्स अत्यंत मनशाक हानिकारक. तातूंत भुरगीं जावपाक शकनात, भुरगीं जाल्लीं हँडिकॅप जावंक शकतात. हाजेर खूब फावटी आमी कंप्लेन करतात पूण कांय करनात. तातूंत हायकोर्टान तांकां हें दिलें, मिनिस्टरांनी हें जालें कॅपिंग करा म्हणून. ताणें आतां कॅपिंग केलां पूण तें कॅपिंग करतकीर पोनांतल्यान कितें मातशें कितें थोडें हें करून बंद केलां पॉल्युशन. पूण अवघ्या 5-6 वर्सां भितर जवळ जवळ 2 किलोमिटर हातूंत तांणी बांयो सगल्यो आमी न्हंयो बियो हें जाल्यो, पॉल्युटेड जाल्यो आनी तातूंत हो कॅमिकल मेळ्ळो. आतां ताणें पळय कितें केलां ताची ड्युरेबिलिटी कितली.
Speaker sir, I understand the anxiety of the Honorable MLA because the hazardous waste accumulated in plot L2 of Sunrise Zinc is highly polluting. However, Speaker sir, the Goa State Pollution Control Board is doing its best to take necessary actions. At the moment, the Goa State Pollution Control Board has covered the waste with tarpaulin sheets. But, Speaker sir, this is not a permanent measure. This is a temporary measure until a permanent solution is put in place. However, Speaker sir, for a permanent solution, the Goa State Pollution Control Board is in receipt of a proposal from MS Concept Biotech located at Kareli Bagh, Gujarat, regarding vermi remediation of the hazardous waste generated and stored by Sunrise Zinc Limited. The board is examining this proposal. It has also written to Gujarat State Pollution Control Board, and the comments of the Gujarat board indicate that the work carried out by Bioconcept at Industrial Park, Gujarat is appreciated. It has served the purpose and it was found to be satisfactory. Further, the board is in the process of appointing a consultant for examining the proposal further and to monitor the vermin remediation process during the execution. Similarly, Speaker sir, the Goa State Pollution Control Board has written to GSIDC requesting the authority to allot the plot which was previously allotted to Sunrise Zinc to carry out this process. Again, Speaker sir, at the national level, there is a proposal from the Ministry of Environment regarding World Bank aided capacity building for industrial pollution management project for remediation of contaminated sites. The board has submitted the details of this particular site, L2 at Sunrise Zinc at Kunkoli Industrial Estate. Speaker sir, for this scheme, 517 sites in the country have been identified. 100 sites are given priority and Sunrise Zinc is one among the 100. So I hope the Honorable MLA is a little reassured that the Goa State Pollution Control Board is doing its best. I will also follow the progress of both these schemes.
स्पीकर सर, या 4-5 वर्सांनी जवळजवळ 2 किलोमीटर रेडियसाचेर सगळे पॉल्युटेड जाले. स्पीकर सर, आनी थोडी वर्सां वचत जाल्यार सगळी कुंकळ पॉल्युटेड जातली आनी अत्यंत भयानक परिस्थिती उद्भवतली. स्पीकर सर, मिनिस्टरान म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिवचें की एक टायम लिमीट कितलो भितर हे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातले.
Speaker sir, I think this process should begin within a period of 6 months.
सिद्धार्थ कोकळकर.
स्पीकर सर, म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा. ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान आतां उत्तरान सांगलें की दिस सायट इज आयडेंटिफायड एज वन अमॉंग्स 100 प्रायोरिटी सायट्स इन इंडिया फॉर अ वर्ल्ड बैंक एडेड प्रोग्राम. Whether the department has sought or got any funds from this World Bank for this?
Speaker sir, the board has not received as yet any funds for this project, but it is in the process.
सुभाष
Has the board asked for any funds? And how much is the quantum of funds?
Speaker sir, I'm not aware of these minute details. I'll get back to the Honorable MLA.
सुभाष फळदेसाय.
स्पीकर सर, सनरायज झिंक एक आसा, अश्यो खुबश्यो एलॉय कंपनीज हांगा आयिल्ल्यो. आर देर एनी अदर युनिट्स वीच हॅव स्टॉप्ड आनी अशी गार्बेज जाल्ली आसा आनी ह्या हातून भितर कितले एरिये भितर ती गार्बेज डंप आसा? 18,000 टन्स ऑफ गार्बेज इज अ ह्यूज एरिया. एनी अदर युनिट इज फॉलन सीक एंड दे हॅव अशी गार्बेज जाल्ली आसा काय म्हणून?
Speaker sir, I'm not aware of the details, but there are a few more industries, and for this purpose, a common landfill, captive landfill site is being identified to handle the hazardous waste. But as of now, besides Sunrise Zinc, the waste accumulated by Sunrise Zinc, I don't think there is any other unit in Goa.
विजय सरदेसाई.
Speaker sir, the minister has talked about vermi remediation. At the same time, the answer says that the hazardous waste is to be shifted, and the process of ensuring this is being expedited. So where is it going to be shifted? Have you identified, if you are going to do remediation and you are still going to shift the hazardous waste, where you are going to shift it, and whether there will be a objection from the people of that area wherever you are going to shift?
Speaker sir, the Goa State Pollution Control Board is planning to get land from GSIDC, and for that the GIDC, and for this the process is on. So the remediation process will happen in that plot.
The remediation will happen, but the shifting will not happen as yet, because you don't have the plot as yet.
The process is on. It should be very soon. I think the land will be handed over.
I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, who is to pay for it? The polluter, does he pay, or the government is paying for it? That is, the Pollution Control Board is spending the money, or the man who is polluting? Let the polluter pay.
Speaker sir, in fact, to cover the hazardous waste with tarpaulin sheets, the cost of which is 7,94,419, the Goa State Pollution Control Board had requested